What's up guys, welcome in new episode, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to display your phone and computer using open software called SCRCPY.
Without wasting time, let's get started.
Open your browser and search SCRCPY. Go to the GitHub link and click it. Scroll down to the Get the app and download the file for the Windows. After download complete, extract zipped files into single folder. Now copy a path of a directory or folder contain extracted files and navigate to directory in commanding prompt. After navigation, start Android debugging bridge server by typing adb start server, and adb server will be started. When your devices is connect with USB, adb server wouldn't recognize your devices unless Android debugging bridge is allowed in your Android devices. To allow Android debugging bridge in your device, first you have to allow developer option in your Android devices. Go to the setting, scroll down until you find About Phone. In About Phone, find build number and click it 7 times and you will be successful. Allow developer option. Now in developer option, allow USB debugging. Plug in your USB cable connected with computer. Message will appear asking you to allow USB debugging. You can opt to always allow your device when it connected with your computer and click OK. After connecting a device using USB, Check the list of connected devices which allow communication over Android debugging bridge by typing ADB devices. If connected Android give devices status means the connection between Android and server has successful established. But if the status is unauthorized, reconnect USB and allow the devices to connect with computer. Now to type SCRCPY to view your Android on your computer. With SCRCPY you can do a lot of stuff, include control your Android using your computer. Also you can chat, install app also to get any file from your phone and access Android shell. The interest fact about SCRCPY. You can not only connect your phone with USB but also you can connect your phone over wireless network, but the Android must connect to Windows or both have connected to the same access point. Here the tip of how to connect Android device over Wi-Fi. Connect your Android device with computer over Wi-Fi, or connect directly to the same access point of your computer. Note: do not connect SCRCPY over Wi-Fi using public access points, it will expose vulnerability of your data to be breached. In order to establish communication over Wi-Fi, we need to know the IP address of Android device so that can communicate over TCP. In order to access IP address, go to About Phone, then Status to find IP address of device. After note down an IP address, plug USB cable to phone and connect to the computer. Navigate to the SCRCPY file and issue command to allow SCRCPY to communicate with devices over Wi-Fi by typing ADB TCP/IP followed by port number. In my case I'll use 8888. SCRCPY will start ADB over TCP. Now to connect the server and ADB client, type ADB connect followed by IP address full colon and port number. The device will be connected to the ADB server. Unplug your device and type SCRCPY. We already cover in Windows, now hop in Linux to see how we can connect and control Android devices using SCRCPY. With Kali Linux running, let's get started. First you have to install SCRCPY in your Linux by issue a command, as a root user type apt install SCRCPY. After download complete type ADB devices to check connected devices. In my case my devices was not authorized, so I have to allow USB debugging in Android and run the command again. After ADB server recognize a devices type SCRCPY to view your device. As in Windows you can control, connect to shell, and install apps. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and drop your comment below. See you in next video. Ciao.